Welcome. Welcome dear student. In one another session, myself Darshana Sandeep Shende and our today's discussion topic is sterilization. In that we cover the chemical sterilization and mechanical sterilization method. Learning outcomes of our session. After watching this video, students should be able to understand and recognize the concept of sterilization, chemical sterilization and its type, mechanical sterilization and its methods. So we see the first of all different definition in terms of the sterilization. Sterilization is the process by which an article, surface or a medium is made free for all the microorganisms either in a vegetative or in a spore form. Disinfection, it is a process of destruction of all the pathogens or microorganisms capable of producing the infection in the living cells but not necessarily the spores. All the microorganisms or organisms may not be killed, but the number is reduced to level at that is the no longer harmful to the health. Disinfectants are the antimicrobial agents are applied to the surface of the non-living objects to destroy the microorganisms that are living on the object. Antiseptics are the chemicals which can safely be applied to the living tissue and are applied to the prevent infections by inhibiting the growth of the microorganisms. Asepsis are the techniques by which occurrence of the infection to an uninfected tissue is prevented. Bactericidal agents or germicides, these are the chemical substances which are able to kill the bacteria or the germs. Then importance of sterilization, it is used to prevent the contamination of sterile products, to prevent the transmission of pathogenic microorganisms which are responsible for causing the disease in the plants, animals and human beings, to prevent the decomposition and the spoilage of the food and food product, to prevent the contamination of unwanted microbes in a pure culture and other microbiological experiments performed for the research studies, to prevent the unwanted microbial contamination in antibiotic, enzymes, vitamins, fermentation and other industrial processes, to prevent the contamination in the aseptic areas, instruments which are used for the preparation of sterile dosage forms and sterility testing. Thermal dead time is the minimum time required to kill the bacteria in a predetermined temperature. We see the classification of sterilization. Sterilization is divided into three parts: physical method, chemical method and mechanical method. Physical method is divided into again three parts: dry heat sterilization, example of its hot air oven; then moist heat sterilization, example of it autoclave; then radiation sterilization. Radiation sterilization is again divided into two parts: use of UV rays and ionization radiation. Chemical method is divided into two parts: by sterilization by the bactericides and gaseous sterilization. Mechanical method by the filtration involves the ceramic filter, seeds filter, sintered glass filter, then a sintered glass metal filter. Chemical method of sterilization. There are two types of chemical method of sterilization: sterilization by heat with the bactericide and gaseous sterilization. Sterilization by heat with the bactericides, it involves this method may be used for the sterilization of aqueous preparation which are unstable at the higher temperature attained at the moist heat. In this process the medicament is dissolved in a suspended in a suitable solution of the bactericide so as to achieve the sterilization. These are the some bactericides and these are used in that concentration: chlorocasol in a concentration of percentage weight by volume 2%, then polymercuic acetate 0.002. In this way bactericides are used. Then gaseous sterilization, in this different types of gases used. Firstly, ethylene gas. Action is due to the its alkalinity of the amino, carboxyl, hydroxyl, then sulfhydryl groups in the protein molecule. It is also affect on the DNA and RNA. Items like heart, lungs, machines, respirators, sutures, dental equipments, books and clothes are involved. Then formaldehyde gas. This is the widely employed for the fumigation of the OT and other rooms. Formaldehyde is produced by adding 150 gram of KMnO4 to the 280 ml of the formalin for every cubic feet of the room after closing the window and the other outlets. After fumigation, the door should be sealed and left upon up to the 48 hours. Then next method is mechanical method. In this we use the filtrations. Filtration help to remove the bacteria from the heat labile liquids, atoms, sera, solutions of sugars, antibiotics. Its principle involve as a virus pass through the ordinary filters. Filtration can be used to obtain the bacteria-free filtrate of the clinical sample of the various isolations. Types of filters are involved are candle filter, asbestos filter, sintered glass filter and membrane filter. We see one by one. Candle filters are used to purification of water for the industry and drinking purpose. These are manufactured under the different grades of porosity, and widely used for purification of water, industrial and drinking purpose. It is made up of porous porcelain or kesel gold. Expensive, available in the different sizes. These are the candle filters. Then asbestos filter or seeds filter. It is a disposable filter. Single use of this made up of asbestos, that is a magnesium trisilicate. Then tend to alkalinize the filtered liquids. The pore size of the filter range from the 0.01 to 5 microns. These are the asbestos filters. The use is discouraged because it is a carcinogenic property. It has a carcinogenic property. Then sintered glass filters or Martin filters. It has a low absorptive property. Borosilicate glass is finely powdered in a ball mill and packed into the disc mold and heated until a suitable adhesion takes place between the granules. It is brittle and expensive. These are the sintered glass filters fitted in the bottle or suitable container. Then membrane filters or millipore filter or ultra filter. These are made up of cellulose esters or other polymers, usually used for the water purification, analysis, sterilization, sterility testing and preparation of solution for the parenteral use. These are 150 micrometer thickness and containing the millions of the microscopic pore ranging from 0.01 to 10 micrometer in a diameter. These are the membrane filter assembly. These are the membrane filter used in this assembly. After watching this video, we covered the points: importance of sterilization, chemical sterilization, in that gaseous sterilization and with the bactericide, then mechanical sterilization by using the different filtration. Thank you very much for watching the video.